You see, Rachel, yeah? When I come from prison, 2009, Rachel, I love you. That time I have my money at Jamaica and I have no money in England. I'm going to say, Rachel, them time there, that's something name. Technology weren't so equal. So you had to wire the money. I'm going to say to my daughter, I say, Rachel, I pay them know about quality. I say, Rachel, I want to buy some shoes at Gucci and Versace. I treat myself because I'm in prison for 4 months. And she give me a bank card. I'm a Sheldon. God was sent. I tell Rachel I want 2 grand and I'm going to spend 4,000 pounds from it. This is 2009. I spend 4,000 pounds. That time I live at Park Avenue. And when I come back, I never forgot Rachel lie down at the bed pan her back like this. And I say, Rush, your mama went in. I spend more than I wear. I tell them what I want to buy. And she said, how much did you take out of my money? And before my time, I said, girl, I have my money at Jamaica. I send it back home here. And I said, Rachel, a whole heap of money I spend. Eh? Pardon? My big phone is in there. Say hi.
Hi. How are you? Hi.
Say hi, Carl.
Hi.
Yeah, right, crazy. When I tell her I said I spend 4,200, she lied down on the bed like this. And she said, Mom, I'm going to change my PIN and I'll give you back my bank card. I'm a cuss and say, go, I have my money at Jamaica. Just it will take 5 days. Them time they have 5 days. Any blood clot thing more and bomba will go. You hear that? Anything more and buy. If you fuck with me, I'm going to shot my men mean teeth. You see, if my vex, one of the greatest things I love to do. Beg steal a blood clot, but I'm going to shot. Remember one time, I'm a big father, I argue. I'm going to buy a big blood clot TV and a big fish tank. And 5 pair of shoes I sell for this. Buy. You hear that? So me do what I want to do with my one. Who want gamble, who want buy us. Nobody not tell me what to do with my blood clot when I whole heap of shit me take.
What's that?
Whole heap of disrespect. Anytime I come to Jamaica, I never call one on and beg on a plane ticket yet. When I come talk about me for come on, none of blood clot can escort me down at this. Me run blood clot this. Me. Run me. My money, my pocket, by spending. Who me want give me key? Who me want hide from? I not promise no blood clot body nothing. You know much I don't expect me to go now. I'm a pussy ear, them me have to go share up. All them me share up my pussy ear. I still not have blood clot space to go now. So me if you go bleach a night with my old self, with my yellow teeth and my pain up blood clot self, I make money and I sit down and wait for my blood clot when I tell me how much me make and who me forget. And when I don't feel it on the same one blood clot classmate. I'm still down blood clot, have my ass clot, look the car when I want to get. You understand me? If I get up tomorrow morning and I'm going to England, I want to spend 2 grand for buy 1 blood clot shoes. You, now no mama can't tell me not to do it. Because me know the liberty when I got through for reach from me them. Me know when I got center bomber pussy blood clot mass all age. You hear that bomber wall? I'm step and I give me the big brown slippers to wear go to school for our slippers because my father got or I wear if I'm fucking gone. Drunk on to come suck me. Yeah? And when I step and I give me the slippers and them mark me at school, I take off it blood clot and hide it in a cupboard. You hear that? Hide it in the cupboard and go to school, be a blood clot foot, stay at school barefoot. So when me little, I say I want to get famous, so they come suck out the nose net out of my nose. I say I want to get famous. And God make me reach when me reach. Bumble wall. Me living at the shoes that I buy. But no, labor blood clot. Me sit down and zip my blood clot mouth. Me no wear fake shoes and cheap blood clot shoes. Bet me and give me change. No matter how dirty and blood clot all them is. Me no wear blood clot fake shoes. I mean, a response who I wear fake or cheap. Me I talk about my blood clot self as a queen. And feel like the liberty women. All gangster your teeth and see the blood clot all brought them there. All a blood clot them a designer. Money. Memories. Memories don't live like people blood clot. You see that I one set a Dolce & Gabbana collection. And me no show no handbag yet. Oh no, say handbag. And the shoes, me see the whole on I drop down have a little dirty blood clot shoes. You know if I went more and treat my husband and myself. Me never come asking a cash up. Me never go on YouTube go do no blood clot YouTube for make no money for get none. You don't know how much millions me can make and me sit back. Cause money are the root of all blood clot evil. Uno will take my video them and discriminate me and highlight me and promote me. But me not sit down and promote myself to make money. If I vex, I'ma come a class and a dirty nasty blood clot. I could do it by YouTube and send it over to my YouTube, but that's not my energy. My energy is to let out my steam. And make you know me as a lion. Yeah. I say I let out my steam. Bomber wall, uno take it, slice it up, and edit it and put it where I want to put it and so on I want to say. Sometimes I care and sometimes I don't care. Me no wear blood clot cheap shoes. Better not go no blood clot change. If I bet slippers, yeah, turn me the fuck on. So I don't take my shoplift for how much in blood clot ears. And I come talk about Holbrook. I'm my Holbrook them. My Versace, my red bottom, I'm a two new broke them. I had two latest something on my buy. I'm proud of everything I have. The old, the bad, the good, the ugly. They're all mines. Material things come and material things. Blood clot go. My house bun down and bun up with how much in shoes and blood clot handbag. I still have shoes and blood clot handbag. I want to not see me a one crux and not see me a cuss me in about crux. I have around 6 blood clot crux. And if I like a favorite color, I want to live in a blood clot. It's my old back. Enough fun I suck out my blood clot like silver ticks. But a good thing my bad and terrible. You can't tell Queenie self smell. Top chat shit me just be they fucking idiot. All that a foolishness. Me can't smell baby. Me be 8, 9, 10 times for you there Jamaica. You chat blood clot shit. My pussy good and clean. For you have no infection in your pussy and the man come in it and the man sour smell come out you go back normal. Move your blood clot. Who look like them smell? My sweaty are full of energy. Who look like them smell? You want to see now this blood clot? Me show no blood clot something. No smell candy for me. Cleanliness is next to blood clot badly. I saw me grow up. This is how I grow up. Bumper wall. Clean. Not even a spot in the sip on the mirror. You hear that? This is how I grow up. Spotless. Who look stink? Who look like them smell? Wanna call look like smell? Look from bathroom. Clean. This is bathroom. Clean. Spotless. Yeah? This is how I grow up. You hear that? You can't blood clot chat to me. You saw my bathroom clean? Clean freak. You hear that? OCD. Clean freak. I couldn't have a mother who clean like this and smell. You hear that? Not when Blandina my mother. Clean blood clot fleek. Look. Not even a spot. Not even a spot on the mirror. You hear that? Bamba wall, who not talk to? Look. Clean. You hear that? I saw me grow. Clean. Who not tell to look like them smell? I'm sweaty. Because I'm full of energy. Pussy where if you come right now, I'm going to say, you just going to say, oh, Queenie. Don't pass on a blood clot place to discriminate strong black woman. Me a warrior, me a empress, me a goddess. Me a the queen in the blood clot that no matter how you shuffle it. You hear that bomber wall and I can't stop my glory. From a little bit on there, sometimes I say, also, I suffer to blood clot. I eat ton cornmeal, chicken back, baked dumpling. Use ackee skin for wash my clothes. You hear that? When my father teeth me from she. At them life them I grow. And my mother have to come back and teeth my back whenever she teeth me. Move on the dirty blood. She have to call up my name. Yeah, my mother. You saw a place clean? Clean blood clot freak. All of my pit of them. Clean freak and OCD. We can't come talk about look like smells. What the fuck is smell? Me just come out of the bar. Me just tell you. Me just so much for smell. Me don't even come out of the bar 10 minutes. Me not have chlamydia. Me remember one time, the first blood clot time and the last time I get chlamydia. I must say 2000 what year that? 2000 I must say 7. When I go one prison name. What the fuck him? New Hall prison. And when the woman say me have, when I go to the health center and the woman say me have chlamydia, I say what name so? Because I know about gonorrhea and yeast infection. And when next one name BV. But I never know one blood clot, but it's because there's a first for everything in it. So when she said I have chlamydia, and is it that them give 5 pills for take one time or 7 pills? Me no remember, but it's either 5 tablets is a dose you take. It's a chlamydia now, bomber wall, make me telling you something. When chlamydia in a pussy, you know inexperienced like a bomber old girl and dirty blood clot boy. Because I found a man with the behind this a classmate, you know. Yes, when me telling a blood clot something, yes, when you beard and you come out of the bathroom and sit down like how I sit down and open up so, and they attack, you feel the smell, the wickedest smell. I come from dung in your nose. That is chlamydia. If you want to know if you have blood clot chlamydia, beard. Because when you beard in a lady, so your pussy good enough. You take your hours to smell. So 10 hours, you smell fresh. You start from smelling fresh. Then you get like a sweaty. Then from like a sweaty, you get like a sour. And from the sourness, if you piss up, you get rank. And from the rank, it gets stink. So over a duration of 10, 12 hours, if you don't bathe and not cleanse yourself, it's natural nature for all of us. Because no matter your beard, 10 o'clock in the morning, by 10 in the evening, you're going to get stale, you're going to get cheesy, you're going to get sweaty. But when you have infection or you got other problems, and your beard, and 10 minutes after, put it half an hour. I the nastiest something I ever know, chlamydia. Me catch it already. I can't tell you no over and over again. It's when your beard, look now. I just say, say my pussy clean, say my pussy fat. I hear that part. But me just beard. Chlamydia that. So experience becomes knowledge. None of blood clot you can't look at me and judge me about me look like, me smell. Me look like. No, I don't smell. You can't come and teach you many blood clot things. If my husband go fuck by me and not use condom, I can't tell him. Ask him. Just by taking the cocky. You know your smell and feel smell. And if it's a girl when fucking her pussy dirty, you can smell a different smell. Because when you sex somebody and you're going at them, that's blood. They come, so they come mix up with you. That's somebody else's spirit in you. You understand me? So at the end of a good day, there's a level to this shit. And you can't just sit down and talk, but the truth lies within you lot. You understand me? Me now as a 53-year-old woman. Remember when I catch, where's something here? Where next thinking one here with them say them push in a man body. Man, I forget joking at them body. What I want the name again? Me just call it name. Gonorrhea. Yeah. Yeah. Me smelly, you know, baby. Me, you know that for know me. A skeptic. Say me smell something or me see something, no matter if me there, so I create excitement. It annoy me, traumatize me. So my nose smelly. So if you have your partner, darling, you can know them smell, don't it? And the moment they mingle with somebody else, you can smell the difference. If they mingle with somebody, and you have many girls out there were clean. You understand me? No, you left. Where you left it? No, man, that's a purpose, man. Can did I call you? So Trim did I call you and him like a drop mom. Like he must rest it there.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, man, that's a purpose. Alright, baby, yeah. So don't be rude. Because I don't like for be rude to me when I get nasty and hard, then I don't say me trouble people. I'm not trouble people, you know. Me just my own character and I like to be seen. And because I like to be seen, I reach this far. And I don't for do with the rich and show up for nobody. Me just a normal, down-to-earth woman who like nice things. I like proper quality things. Because I grow so rough and hard, so I set a task in life. So I don't feel no bad mind me, I grudge me. I'm not busy on the one blood clots, eh? But don't come defame nothing, yes, man. And move on a dirty blood clot. I just be there at 3 times from morning already, my beard. My beard this morning when I wake up after 5. Yeah, I do it fuck down the blood clot piece and I wake up and bathe and come back and sleep and get up around 8 o'clock. I'm awake 8 o'clock. The way I had to push the clot, I just run down underneath the pipe and put on my orange dress. I'm going to put on my orange dress and have it on hot a while ago. I'm going to bathe again. When you come talk about your cancer, say Queenie look like she smell. How dare you? Ask any of them blood clot that will meet me and hug me up how I smell good. My breath alone smell good. All if me smoke, you know, some people will smoke, and because them smoke, them have this awful smell. Not even that not smelling in my mouth. I have good blood clot genes. Look at my skin for 53. Ziggy always said to me, say,